Hello, I am back again and today I'm going to do a little handbag unboxing. So I recently bought a new handbag. I bought it from Fellowes Auctions and I thought it was so cute and such a steal. So I put a bid down and I didn't think I would win, and then I got an email saying congratulations, you are the winner. So here I am, ready to unbox it, and I thought we'd do it together. So in case you don't know, Fellowes is an auction house and they have a specialist designer handbag and fashion sale. I've bought from them before, everything comes authenticated, and I think this is the third time I've shopped with them. Oh my god, I just showed you my bag by accident. Okay, I may as well just get it out and give it to you. So here it is. I'm actually really surprised in a good way. I thought this was going to be a mini bag. I don't know what it was, but the photo made it look tiny. I was expecting it to be like the size of a mini lily. So I thought I'd wear it kind of like instead of wearing my Chanel wallet on chain. But actually it's a really good size handbag, which I think I can wear a lot more than I thought. I think I got a really good deal actually. I thought I had paid more for a smaller handbag, but actually I got a pretty big handbag. I think I did good. I think I got sidetracked. So this is the Coach Melody handbag. And like I said, I was expecting it to be kind of like a very small style bag, but it's actually a really nice size. So of course this bag is pre-loved, but it's in fantastic condition. I can't really see any signs of wear and tear. The edges are in really good condition. And because Coach bags are Coach bags, they're incredibly well made and the leather actually gets better with age too. So while it does look like it's been worn, it looks really good. I am honestly so impressed. Let me put it on. So this is the bag crossbody. It's a really good length. It can also be worn as a shoulder bag. And the strap can be doubled over so it can be a short shoulder bag. And it sits here. The colour is kind of an ox blood red. It's got the Coach and Horse logo. It's branded here. It's got a back pocket. And of course the label on the inside. Speaking of which, the inside is really nice and clean. But it's hard to film, so you'll just have to take my word for it. I am honestly really pleased with this bag. It is so pretty. It's lovely quality. It's gorgeous condition. The leather is fantastic. And it's just everything I love about Coach bags. So let's talk about the price, shall we? So I bid on this bag and I actually won it for £40. That was the hammer price on it. However, when you're shopping at auction, you do pay a buyer's premium, which is basically the commission that the auction house take on top. So this bag went from £40 to £52, and then the shipping on top of that was £25, which meant the total price was actually £77, which was a little bit more than I expected because obviously the hammer price was £40. I think the things I've bought in the past have been more expensive, so I haven't noticed the hammer price and the postage cost as much, but in this instance it kind of doubled the price. That being said, I'm still really happy. This is a fantastic Coach bag for £77. It really is a gorgeous bag. The leather is stunning. It's in fantastic condition. And I just love the colour and everything about it. So whilst I did pay a little bit more for it than I expected, it's actually also bigger than I expected, which is a really lovely accident. Speaking of which, there is measurements. I probably should have checked the measurements. And also I still think £77 for this bag is a good bargain. So that is my new Coach bag. What do you think? And what do you think of the Coach Melody bag? Also, have you ever bought at auction? Because I would highly recommend it. I usually use Fellowes, Chiswick and Bonhams. Okay, bye.